I think the Quran writing project is inspirational.
We all sat here and just scripted a verse of the book that we love so much, that we honor as Muslims.
It was started actually 3 years ago, and the purpose behind that is that there was not a single Quran created or selected before which have been written by 6,000 people.
So you can see these squares here. Each square then has a circle within it, and those circles are the centers of these circles. And once you have these circles, they can then be turned into shamsas.
Adam, you are one of, if not the foremost experts in your field. There are many people who do art and sculpturing and geometrical designs. You have done the Queen's Mother's Monument. You have been involved in the Westminster Abbey restoration, Kew Gardens, and so on. So you have achieved very highly, and perhaps are amongst the foremost experts in this area. And I think this is why we are so excited by this. Also because of the fact that you are a Muslim, and the art that you do reflects Islamic art, which is what we have been trying to do at the Jalsa Salana every year. The theme of this exhibition is in search of the creator in the eyes of the craftsman. How would you say, through this amazing and incredible Islamic art that you do, how does that process involve searching for the creator?
You have a repetitive process, and in that repetitive process you have a chance to evoke through zikr this kind of more elevated resonance that you can imbibe within the work. All religions were just radii going to the circle, that you can't go down all the radii, you have to choose your path, but they all eventually lead to the center, which is quite a nice syncretic concept of.
During this exhibition and demonstration, what people can expect actually, what can you bring actually to this Jalsa Salana?
So I'm very much looking forward to the event. I feel like it's a fantastic opportunity to really showcase these arts and the process itself. So I'm going to be having an exhibition of final pieces, but then I want to have pieces that show the stages and the evolution of these designs, because that really puts people back in touch with the intricate, elaborate process that is needed to get to this result. Because I think people are very removed using computers and using quick fix solutions to creating products, that they forget what goes into creating this work. So I think seeing the process, seeing the interaction with the material can reactivate that sense of wonder. And hopefully they can then look at these artworks, not just in the exhibition, but when they go to a monument, when they travel, with a new sense of awe and understanding. So I'll have a series of drawings. I'll be demonstrating, drawing stages of a pattern and how it comes together using compasses, dividers, and freehand. And then I'll be showing slides of how these come together, and then probably show some practical work too, using chisels and mallets, just to create a pattern and a process so that people can see what goes into this. So there are the many wonders that I want to try to relay in the exhibition and the event, just to give people a bit of an understanding how there's a lot more twinkling away behind these patterns, and hopefully inspire some people in the process.